How to delete Google Photos only and not on your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will discuss how we can delete only Google Photos and not the ones that are on our phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now it's a little bit confusing when you have Google Photos on your phone because your Google Photos also acts as the default gallery application. And to show this to you, if I just open Google Photos app, here you can see some photos. Which are the photos that has been backed up and which are the photos that hasn't been backed up? How can you figure that out? Well, it's very simple. When you're on the Photos tab, these are the photos that has been backed up to your Google Photos. When you come to the Library tab, these are the photos that are only backed up on your phone and not to Google Photos, which means they are only on your gallery. The screenshots that you've taken, the Telegram photos, the Instagram photos, the WhatsApp image and Messenger, you can see these are not backed up, as you can see the little cloud-like icon over here. So it means that if you want to delete Google Photos only, just come to Photos tab over here and you'll be able to delete all these respectively. If you want to delete only on your phone, then over here you'll be able to see all this. But still, I can give you one more solution if this is a bit confusing for you, because when you log in from the Google Photos app, you might get mixed up with the backed up photos versus the non-backed up photos. But to help solve this confusion, if you have your browser on your mobile, go to photos.google.com. You can also log in from your PC. When you go to photos.google.com, of course it's going to only show you the photos that are only backed up to your Google Drive. It cannot show the ones that are on your phone because the browser don't have the access. So this is simply how it works. You can log in from your mobile browser or your desktop browser or your laptop browser to check them. Go to photos.google.com, sign into your Google account. Over here you'll be able to see all the photos only that you've only backed up to your Google Drive or Google Photos and not the ones that are on your phone. And now you can go ahead and delete them without any worries. This way you can delete Google Photos only and not the ones on your phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.